Top of the morning to you. This morning, Saturday, we're going to do something that we've never attempted before. It's a first. And we're in Laos, so it could go wrong. It could go horribly wrong. Stay with us and find out. Welcome to BNF Asia. We are in Khamsavath station, which is the newly built station in Vientiane, not far from our house. It's in the Nong Khai area, or Khamsavath area, and we're going across the Mekong over the bridge to Nong Khai on the train. So the train was opened in 2024, July 20th of July 2024. This is our first time on it. It does go past our house, so we might be able to spot that. We're going to get some tickets. Let's see if I can see the timetable here. Okay, so wifey's going to get the tickets now. Where are we going, Dal? Are we going business class or first class? Did you order me the caviar? I'd like a little bit of caviar for my breakfast on the train. We're going economy with the fan, Keck says. And if the fan doesn't work, we just open the window. And Happy Ass is coming with us as well, look. She's not keen on Nong Khai because she knows there's no shopping there, no H&M.
She asked me this morning, I said, do you take in your bag? She said, why? You said have shopping, like in Udon?
Tesco Lotus. It also appears you can purchase your tickets for the Laos China Railway, which goes up to Boten. Not from the station. You have to go to the other Vientiane station. Yeah, but that's handy if you're in the area here and you haven't got access to the internet. You can come and physically buy a ticket on the Laos China Railway. Good news. We came in the car as well from our house. You can park it here overnight. Is it 30 for one night, Dal? Or?
30 for one night. Yes.
So 30,000 kip, which is just over $1 for one night's parking, overnight parking. So that's good. If you want to come and utilize the express train, first class from Khamsavath station to Nong Khai, you can leave your car here for just under $1, just over $1. So 4 different classes, by the looks of it. Not too sure. They always put nice pictures up, but does it do exactly as it says on the tin? We'll have a look when we get outside. Kex is buying the tickets. No queue this morning, very quiet. What do you have to do, Dal? Show your passport?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah. Okay.
And then we go to immigration, which is a different desk around the corner, which is empty also. It's not even open yet. And we stamp out here. So once we get on the train, we have left Laos. We're in no man's land until we get to Thailand. So facilities wise, if you are arriving from Nong Khai, there is an LDB bank, a service unit where you can exchange your cash into Lao kip. There's also a Dow coffee store where you can actually buy cups of coffee, I think. Or is it just Dow Coffee Goods? May just be Dow Coffee Goods. And here is the caravan that sells you the coffee in a cup to drink. Has sandwiches, cold drinks. As the station is a little bit outside of the town, there's also the facilities to book a bus ticket. You can hire a minivan or taxi service. There's even tuk-tuk service. So whatever your level of expenditure is, you can get yourself from the station here over into town. You can even get yourself a SIM card. Who said Laos was a third world country? We have got absolutely everything here for international travel. Although you're only going 2 kilometers across the bridge. So Kek's got the ticket. It was 50,000 kip per ticket, which is $1, $2.
No, total is 210 baht.
210 baht. Oh, don't talk to me about. Talk to me in kip.
I don't know.
210 baht, so 33 into 210. No idea. $7. So total was 330 baht, which is approximately $7. I'll put it on the screen. Can't function at the moment. My head is still fuzzy, not enough coffee. Better get over the Dow coffee stall and get some. Now, I did mention it was a first for us to come across from Laos to Thailand on the train, and this is something that's a first. I've never seen a vending machine in the Lao PDR before. Have you ever seen a vending machine in the Lao PDR, Naman? Never? Wow. Can we get one? Everyone's excited.
No.
No.
Paying here.
Pang, expensive, my wife says. Have to wait till we get to 7-Eleven. So the next step before we get on the train is to get through immigration. We're just at the immigration office now. There's several lanes there, I suppose, for when it gets busy. But this is Saturday morning and it's not too busy. So Kek's just handed in our 3 passports. We get stamped out, and that's us. We should be sitting on the platform in another couple of minutes. So that's us through. Sounds like the train. Oh, is this ours? It is indeed. Perfect timing. We've just got through immigration, and the train has arrived with people from Nong Khai on it, visiting Vientiane, and we're going the other way. So it's very quick and simple at immigration. I did have to fill out the usual immigration departure form. Quick and simple. You can grab one at the desk if you don't have one. But it was very easy. And now we're ready to go. And this is the mass exodus from Vientiane to Nong Khai this Saturday morning. So the process for arriving back into Laos. This is the train that's just arrived from Nong Khai. Everybody gets off straight into the station, fill out your arrival forms, and then you've got your immigration lanes over there. Once you pass those, you're in sunny Vientiane. So we're on our way. We've just been called to the train. Platform 1. Got escalators over there to get you over the bridge to platform 2, but I'm not sure what leaves from platform 2. Huh? Hey! Tack, tack! Hey! My wife is looking for the first class carriage. Are you looking for first class? Number 3. This one. So this is us. On you get, yeah. Bye. 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 All aboard. Little place to wash your hands. This is only the fan carriage. As I say, we're going 2 kilometers. So that's it. The Vientiane to Nong Khai international train is about to leave the station. So we're just pulling in now to what was the old Tanah station before the new railway came in. So yeah, we are stopping. There's the old immigration offices. Lying pretty dormant at the moment. You got your visa on arrival windows further down. This was another station that I never used previously. So we're just approaching the bridge now. Leaving Laos PDR. Heading across the mighty Mekong River. And over into Nong Khai, northeastern Thailand, Vientiane, on the international rattler. And there is the mighty Mekong. We've just barely finished wet season by about a week, so she's well and truly swollen. We did have floods in Nong Khai and Vientiane 4 or 5 weeks ago. If you didn't see my video on the floods in Vientiane, please check it out. What a beautiful sight. This is where we live, kids. And you can see by the yellow flags and the red, white and blue striped flags, we're over the centre of the river and we're now officially in Thailand. Welcome to Thailand. So there'll be a bit of jiggity pokery when we get to Nong Khai station. I hope they'll have done away with the arrival and departure cards and we just get stamped in. I'll show you when we get there. So we're coming up to the crossing where the railway line crosses the beginning of Mechai Road, which Mechai then continues on right the way through Nong Khai. And as we cross over Mechai, there should be a little complex of very small bungalows, one which I lived in 20 years ago. And there they are. That's mine, right there. Wow, 20 years ago. I remember furnishing that for about $30. And we're getting very close to the station, so we should be getting off any second now. So that's it, all done. Pretty much the same as any Laos Thai immigration. It was quite quick, not a lot of people here. We had a quarantine check and we had our entry stamps done, and then we had our bags checked, and that's it now. We need to find a tukey. Tuk. No, what hassle? There's plenty of tukies outside if you're going into town, or if you go into Bangkok and you got a bit of waiting to do. You've got all of those restaurants over there. Us, we're going for a little jolly in Nong Khai. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Ta-ta now.